again. Everyone says affiliate marketing is easy. Don't let them fool you. It's not. This surprised me. Because it's not. You watch others and you think, this is going to be easy. I can do this. People need to know you and trust you. And that takes time. Because there's actually a lot to figure out. You see all the posts saying how simple it is. Just post and earn. But it doesn't feel like that. There's so much to figure out. What to post, where to post, what actually works. You try different things and still not sure if you're doing it right. It gets overwhelming at times. I'm figuring this out step by step. Follow if you want the truth.